Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream on Kick. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to head to the Kick website. So I'm just going to type kick.com and then it will take me to the Kick website. And from here, we need to log in into our accounts. If you don't have already one, just login in with your Google account, and I'm just going to click on login with my Google account, and from here I will just click continue, and then it will take us to our profile or our the home page with our account logged in. And from here you will need just to click on your profile, and basically you will need either just to go to creator dashboard or the channel, and from your channel you will need just to go uh, live. So basically, and from here you will need just to go to either edit panels or you go to the creator dashboard, and from here you will need to the edit mode so you can edit your stream info. So here you can see your session info, stream preview, etc. And basically we are already uh, offline. So we need just to go to the settings and basically go to the stream key, and you will need just to use the stream URL and copy paste this stream key, and then you will need just to copy paste them on your software, recording software or streaming software. In this case, you can be using your OBS software. So basically, we need just to click on Start Streaming, and it will require you to go first to the settings. So I'm just going to stop streaming. I'll go to settings and search for the stream, as you can see here. And basically here the server is this URL, and the stream key I will need just to add it here, and I will click on OK, start streaming, and basically your streaming will be starting automatically. So basically, this is how you can go stream on Kick. Thank you for watching and see you next time.